In this guide, you'll learn how to refund Fortnite items without using a refund ticket. Let's get started. If you have purchased a cosmetic item and want a V-Bucks back, Fortnite now offers a way to return certain eligible items without spending one of your limited refund tickets. Launch your Fortnite and log into your account. Once you're in the main menu, click on the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. From there, navigate all the way to the Account and Privacy section, which is usually the last tab on the right. Scroll until you find the Return or Cancel Purchase option and open it. Here you'll see a list of items that are eligible for refunds. Some items may qualify for a refund without requiring a refund ticket, especially if Epic Games has marked them as refundable due to a recent issue, bug, or special policy change. Once the process is complete, the V-Bucks spent on that item will be returned to your account. Keep in mind that not every item qualifies for ticket-free refunds and eligibility depends on Epic Games' current refund policies. So if you don't see the option, the item may not be eligible at this time. And that's it. That's how you can check for and use Fortnite's ticket-free refund option to get their V-Bucks back. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.